So today's all about getting manufacturers into the college and introducing students and young people into the dynamic world of medical engineering and just making them aware of the career opportunities that are available and how diverse they are.
So it's really important that we show young people that engineering covers a broad range of things outside of automotive and traditional mechanical routes. And events like this show how much there is in the UK and how specifically Yorkshire is a real hub for medical engineering technology.
So I think I want people to take away that engineering isn't just about overalls and grease spots and sort of being a mechanic. It's about doing things that change people's lives.
I was surprised at how many different ways that you could be involved with bioengineering and bioengineering companies. So there's the marketing and there's the engineering part of it, and then you've got the chemistry, keeping everything sterile, things like that. Yeah, I was just amazed at how many different ways there is to be involved in it.
I think exhibitions like this are important because it might spark an alternative interest in a field that you're already a part of.
It only takes one new person to have a great idea that could change the world, so the more talent you introduce to a said industry, the more new ideas you're going to generate.
It's good because we're filling the pipeline, if you like, of young engineers and young technicians coming through.
Well, we feel like there's a bit of a skills gap, so if we could get people interested from a younger age, get them into university and wanting to come to work for companies like us, smaller companies around Yorkshire, that would be really good for the industry.
We want them to take away just how interesting the medical device industry can be and how varied it can be.
It's really important that students begin to understand that every product needs to be made, and in that there's information about the material, how it's made, how it's designed, and how we ensure that the quality is right.
I want them to take away the fact that the medical industry is not just for doctors.
They were talking about how they need programmers to create virtual designs of stuff, and that got actually really interested because I think it'd be a really promising field in the future.
The attraction of joining the medical technologies sector is that this is a growing sector. We've identified that by bringing together different types of technologies, we have a huge opportunity to address diseases in a very different way now, but we need people with lots of different skills to come together to enable us to do that and to make the most of that opportunity.
I just kind of want to show that there's no limits, there's no sort of boundaries that you can't cross, and if you really want to go on and study engineering, do it. Nothing should hold you back.